Alfie, what's the crack? What's happening?
Oh, he's taunting you, don't be ignorant.
Yeah, why are you ignoring us?
Don't, you'll cry again, little wet wipe.
What are you crying for? We only called you a wet wipe.
No one died.
Oh, what you doing?
Oh, we just making friends?
Grow up, yeah. Leave him alone. Unhealthy.
When did you get a girlfriend, Alfie?
Thought he was gay.
The only thing you can pull is a push though.
Have fun with your girlfriend.
In a bit, brown nose.
See you later, Alfie. Divvy.
Okay, Grandma.
I am, darling. I just missed your granddad. Thank you. Go around to the shop and get some sweets, eh?
Bloody kids.
Who's this?
This is Alfie. He lives on my street. We're going to look after him.
Oh, bless him, he looks so young.
Yeah, what have you bought him here for?
It'll be for a laugh. You've drunk before, haven't you, Alfie?
Yeah. How old is he?
Don't be boring. We were way younger when we started.
I nicked a few cans from home.
Zoe, get vodka, not sours.
Don't be too loud. I've got to go in there, you know, and they'll hear.
Oh, yeah, the ID. Sorry.
Alfie, you wait here.
Do you reckon it'll work? Does it look like her?
Nah. She looks like 18 now.
I mean, she does look 18, but... Nah. So what cans have you bought?
Lager.
Oh, yeah, Ashton. Got the vodka, please. Do you have any ID? Birthday?
20th of the 2nd, 2006.
Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Look at him.
No.
What's that here now?
Is there something you want to say, Alfie?
I want to say, sorry, my best man. If you say anything, I'll take you.
Are you alright? Are you okay? Oh.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I can do you a deal tonight if you fancy.
You're 7 life.
Yeah, I'll sort you some stuff out.
Come on, love.
Oh my god, Zoe, look, is that hers?
I'm not me.
Did you see her? It was her who had a order suit for deal.
What the hell?
Can't stand it.
No.
Maybe she thinks she...
Nah.
Like cow.
Let's go see.
Alfie!
I can call the police.
Go on, do it, I dare you.
Alfie, you're hilarious.
That was actually
my gosh.
hilarious.
Did you see Where we're going?
Let's go to the park.
There you
Go, Zoe! Go, Zoe! Go, Zoe! Go, go! Jesus! Run! What about you, Lee? Doesn't matter, just leave him!
Where's everyone going? Leave me alone!
No, Ricky, I'm sick of that yawn. I'm going to phone the police. Can I have the police, please? Yes, there's a young lad wandering around the area. He's been drinking, causing damage. Could you please send someone? Hey, get away from there. I phoned the police. They're on the way. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Are you? You listening to me? Are you? Are you all right?
I don't think I am.
Why do you think Alfie went along with the drinking, the messing around outside of the shop and the drug taking? Do you think Zoe was trying to help Alfie in her own way, or was she just trying to impress her friends? How do you think Alfie's home life impacted on the decisions he made? What would you do to handle difficult decisions at home? Do you think any of the young people involved planned to do what they did? Do you think that the lady understood what was happening or just her side of things? If she had understood more, would it have made a difference? Do you think it made a difference that the knife was plastic when Zoe pulled it out, outside of the shop? Why do you think she did this? What would you do if you found a knife lying on the ground? What would happen next to the discarded knife? Would you have left someone behind? Why would smashing the glass bottle be a problem to others? What about the litter, the thrown away cans and the vomit? Why do you think the lady rang the police? What would you have done if you had been any of the characters in the story?